Hello, people. Today we are going to talk about the book by Robin Sharma. The name of the book is 5 a.m. Club. It's one of the bestseller. Here in this book, it's about a billionaire who achieved a lot of success in his personal and professional life, and he give all the credit to his morning routine. He was saying it's not because I achieved this success because I am more talented, because I have put more effort in the work, but it's all because of my morning routine where I have designed a formula which can turbocharge me physically, mentally, and I get up and then do all these things so that I can do better and better every day. Also, when group of people went to meet him, he came out as a very simple man. Other than expensive watch, he was not wearing where it looked like a billionaire. And then he was focusing on those four things. The first thing he was talking about, if you are not born as a natural talent, you don't have the god gifted capability, no problem, but with the consistency and with the perseverance you can beat all of this talent. So that is the number one thing he was talking. The second thing he was talking about, you need to avoid all the distraction in your life. You need to be focused and you put your all energy with the to simplify your life. That should be your focus, and you avoid all the distraction from social media and any other platform. That was the second thing. And then third thing he was talking about, you try to achieve smaller task first daily instead of achieving a big task occasionally. So keep doing the things daily even if it is small. And the fourth thing he was talking about, personal mastery program and personal mastery practice, where this book is all about, where he is focusing more. So in the personal mastery, what he was saying, there are four pillars. Mostly people focus only on the main pillar and the pillar which is popular, which is mindset. But if you are only focusing on the mindset, which is just 25%, you will not achieve all the success with this mindset. So he is talking more top of the mindset. He was saying there is another aspect. The second one is health set, where you need to put lot of energy to make yourself healthy. You need to be fit so that you can have less stress, you can release all your stress, right? So that is also important. Then third, he was talking about heart set, where he was saying you need to be very good in handling your emotional life and well-being. You need to be mentally very healthy. So that part also he was touching, and he was saying you need to spend time there. How, we will talk about all this. And then fourth thing he was talking about, soul set. Other than health, heart set, he was talking soul set. What he was saying, that we are distracted by so many things which is materialistic around us, and we get distraction. So he was saying every day it's very important we go into the peace, we understand ourselves, we reconnect back to ourselves, who we are. So spirituality is one of the most important aspect he was touching. And he was saying we need to meditate, we need to get a very free time for us to quite fully sit and connect back to us. So these are the four important pillars he was talking. And to achieve all these things, he designed a formula called 20-20-20 formula, which means he do one formula 20 minutes and 20-20-20 becomes 60 minutes every day in the morning. Also he was saying you can achieve all these things, but by waking up at 5 a.m. it will not help. You need to do things in the same way so that you can achieve all this. So what he is saying, the first 20 minutes you should move your body. Move doesn't mean that you just go for the walk, but he was stressing that you need to sweat in the morning, 5 a.m. 20 minutes you should do the exercise such a way that your body starts sweating, because sweating release the cortisol, which is will give you less fearful life. It will give you a lot of positivity around you. So that's what he was stressing. You need to have 20 minutes at least daily in the morning first thing, so that you can have the sweating is very important for our body. Then second 20 minutes he was stressing that you need to start reflecting, which means you go in the peaceful environment, you think about, you meditate, you write down all your dreams, your vision, your problems, your challenges, all other things, and then you try to visualize, and then go deep in the silence, give the solitude, gratitude, all these things. You need to spend 20 minutes every day so that you can reconnect, you can re-energize yourself. and the last 20 minutes he was saying learn. You need to grow every day, then only you can thrive and you can become better. So he was saying every day initial after doing all this exercise and reflect, you can spend 20 minutes at least for the learning, which is where you can read about the biography, you can go through some new innovation, you can learn about psychology, you can learn about technology, or whatever interest to you. You keep go random and you learn every day something new. That will also give you a lot of new thing into the life. So that's how he designed this 20-20-20 formula, which will bring your life very successful. And in the end, what he says, after doing all this formula, the last part of everyday thing is, like he was saying, you need to focus the last 1 hour of your day also, which means before sleeping also you need to focus 1 hour. So what is saying, by 8 o'clock or by 8 p.m. you need to switch off all your blue lights, all your mobile, all your distraction, whatever you want to do, finish them by 8 p.m. After that, don't go around with them, but instead of that, 8 to 10 p.m. you should focus only talking to your friends, family. You spend good time relaxing to your body, eat, have a good dinner, then talk to your dear ones. Also, you can read some books, but don't go around the gadgets. That's what he was focusing. And by 10 p.m. you should sleep, so that next morning 5 a.m. you can wake up and you can transform yourself and get ready for the next day. That's how this book is designed, and I will encourage you to read this book in detail. This is just a summary which will help you. Thank you for watching.